Okay, the plan today is to climb Old Man of Storr, which you can see in the background there. It should be a fairly easy climb. It's quite a nice day, picked a perfect day for it. Nice and sunny, so it shouldn't be too cold once we get up to the top. And hopefully any cloud that's up there should have cleared by the time we get there, so visibility should be perfect. For anyone that's visiting, looking to take photographs of Old Man of Storr, this is a great place to stop. You get a nice view of the loch. Luckily there's some small boats on the loch this morning, and in the background you'll get Old Man of Storr. And on a day like this you should get some reflection, as long as the water's quite calm. I mean, there's a slight breeze, so it's not as calm as it could be. But anyway, next stop is Old Man of Storr and climb.
Original.
We're virtually at the top here. I'm going to go to the top in a minute. I'm not videoing up the top because it's just too windy, and I've had to come find a slightly sheltered spot because I made a rookie mistake of forgetting the cable for my small mic, so I'm having to go off camera. So yeah, some great spots from up here for photographers. Personally, I'd recommend bringing a monopod rather than a tripod, unless it's a lightweight tripod. It's quite a bit of a climb, and if it's quite a warm day like today, you get quite sway. I think we'll move up onto the top and get some video shots.